Techies Hobbies. So today's episode is another watch unboxing and review, but this is a vintage watch that I've been wanting for a long time. So yes, but it's exactly not the one I wanted, but I bought this also to have a better relationship with the watch seller. So let me elaborate on that. So I I think around 1 or 2 years back, I had bought a few native straps from a seller called Gautam Haryani. What happened was I initially ordered for two straps, and then at a later point, before he was going to ship, I wanted more straps from him. So I ordered three more. So what happened was, the seller had already packed his package, and since I wanted three more, and I did not want to pay extra on courier since he had not sent it, so he decided to pack it along with that. But instead of opening the package and making a new package, what he did was it was just NATO straps. So he wrapped it around and packed it together and sent it to me. He even showed me the photos before sending and everything. I agreed on that, and it was all good. But what happened was when it reached my place, firstly, I was not present, I was in office. My wife received the package. She opened it and saw that only two straps were there. Unfortunately, what I think happened was during the transit, somebody saw that one package is attached to another, so took out that particular component of that package and took it to himself, and the remaining thing he sent it so that nobody will have any doubt. I mean, it must have happened by some courier guy or some office in transit, which we have no idea. So this was very unfortunate for both of us, me and the seller Gautam, wherein firstly I did not have the proof, like when I received the package, I did not click pictures or anything, because my wife, she was, after this, she never opens my packages because she's scared to do so. The reason is she doesn't know what's in it, right? So I have told her the same, because my packages, I know what is in it, so I'll be the one who's opening it, and I usually nowadays always shoot a video. Even if I don't upload on YouTube, I shoot the unboxing video at least, so that it's clear that what I get is this. So there's proof for that in case something happens in transit, or if the seller forgets to send something. Of course, it's clearly visible. So this was a lesson for both of us. But what happened was there was a misunderstanding, because I did not receive what I ordered for, and the seller thought also that maybe I am playing something, that I want more straps from him for free, or there was a lot of misunderstanding and differences that has created. And after that, once I came back from Germany, when I contacted the seller, because I forgot this, because it was just NATO straps, right? It was not much, but I think the seller had this still in his mind, and he was acting differently towards me. So when I saw this watch on sale from him, I thought it's not exactly the one I want. So I was after a West End for a long time, but West End with Arabic numbering is what I really looked for. But then I saw a West End with normal, black West End with normal numbering with Gotham. I still went for it because the dial was looked good, and I still went for it, so that and the price, of course, by Gotham is always really great. I mean, you can rarely beat his prices. So he was quoting a real good price for it as well. So I thought, why not buy this from him, and so that our differences are no more there. And this is what exactly happened. So he thought, okay, let's move over this, and let's be we are okay with each other now, we are good with each other now. So that's what happened. So buying a watch also, does these kind of things. So it's again, for me as a collector, I'm building relationships. So I might need some part or something that I need in the future, and I don't want to have any misunderstanding or differences with sellers. So this happened, and let's now get to the unboxing and see what we have. Okay, so the unboxing is done, and this is the watch. So as you can see, this is a Western Sowar Prima automatic vintage watch, and this is how it looks on my wrist. So I feel okay, I might need to do some adjustments with this because it looks like a bit loose, but otherwise the fitting is nice. The case, although a little small for my taste, but since it's a vintage, that's fine. Yeah, so let's have a closer look at the dial. So as you can see that this is the original dial, and if you can look at the bracelet, this is an aftermarket bracelet. I really liked the design of this bracelet, and it has this spin sort of structure to it, and that's what I liked about it. And it looked really good in the seller's pictures, so that's why I went for this. And it also makes the case stand out as a whole, the bracelet. And yeah, talking about the dial, I was lucky to find dial in original condition, and the hands are also original, but as you can see, the looms are out. There are no looms in the hands. And if we look at the if we have a look at the crown, I think that's aftermarket, because in the original crown there is W written on it. Otherwise it looks pretty much good. I mean, it doesn't look bad, the aftermarket crown. And as you can see that the day is in Arabic, yeah, but it also comes in English. So let me just try that out. So yes, that's how the date changes. And yeah, so as you can see, the day flipped to English as well. And overall, this is I cannot open the movement and check it because I am not an expert, especially this is a vintage piece. But otherwise, overall functioning of the watch, yes, it is running well. And it I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Okay, and the case back looks also good. Let me try to focus in here, and you can see the numbers here, and also Western Watch Co written on it, automatic written on it. And yes, this to open this case, I think might need some special equipment. There are a few scuffs and scratches, but yes, it's an old watch, and that is bearable, and that's fine with me. And overall, I'm pretty happy with what I got, especially for the great price. To sum up my review, I have received a pretty good condition Swiss made automatic vintage watch from Western, and I feel it is a really good looking piece that I would be able to wear often. And of course, what it reflects is that to have an affordable good timepiece, you just need to have good taste and does not require a heavy budget. and a bonus is that I could rebuild a good relationship with the seller. Okay, then I leave you guys with a wrist roll shot. Let me know what you guys think about this watch, and please leave your feedback in comments, and also like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.